So how do you like? Because like some of these people I see, like they got thousands of people in there. How do you manage like a lot of people? Like how do you manage a chat like that?
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna be honest. The one time I had like 1,500 people in the room, I had two other people on cam with me. I don't get that many people by myself. When I first started 5 years ago, I had about 300 people. Now it's kind of slowed down. So I would say I average about 100 people in the room.
It's still a lot of people though.
Yeah, but honestly, it doesn't matter. You can have 30 people in your room, but if you have the right tippers, that really, really makes your stream go well. But yeah, it can be a lot.
So like yeah, like what do you because I'm curious. This is like how like what do you focus on in the chat? Like it's like just to know like there's 100 people in the room. What are you focusing on in the chat? Is it the tippers or?
Um, Everyone, because I've turned grays into tippers. Like some girls just totally ignore grays, which I mean, there is no set rules to what you can do, but at the same time, I feel like I've turned grays into tippers, and I think I'm pretty good at doing that. I get on there and I talk. I greet people as they come in, and who's having conversations with me, and just go from there. Typically, somebody will want to take me private or tip me for something like, "Oh, Paisley, you're so cool." I'm like, "Okay, let's let's have some naughty fun then."
Right. So how do you manage your private messages?
So private messages, if they have a quick question, I definitely respond for free. If they wanted to have a private conversation, I encourage them to type in public chat because it keeps the flow of the room going. And if they insist on having a private conversation, I charge 350 tokens for about 10 minutes of my time chatting them.
Right. So if they're not tipping, you want to keep them in the regular chat.
Yeah, because I mean, even if some people aren't tipping, you want the flow of the room to go. You don't want to sit there bored. So at the end of the day, I feel like you should rather have people in there talking. So when other guys come in, they see you being engaging and things of that sort.
Right, right. Yeah, because I notice, like Chatterbait, for instance, like you see some of girls like they're like completely on their phone, and I'm just assuming they're in private messages. So I always wonder, are they? Is it just like private messaging? It's free, or are they getting tipped, or what? Because it's like they're ignoring the rest of the room. You know?
They could be doing several things. They could just be scrolling Instagram.
Yeah, true, true.
I mean, don't get me wrong. Some girls do stream for like 5 and 6 hours. So, I mean, we are human. You're going to pick up your phone. But the key is to pick it up quickly or maybe stand up and, shake your ass or something while you send a few little text messages and put your phone back down and stay focused. I play my music from my phone sometimes. So I let them know, ooh, I'm finding something for us to listen to on YouTube just so they are aware of like what I'm doing. I'm not ignoring you. I'm just trying to pick out some cool music for us.